In this video, let us see the various coding systems that are widely recognized in our industries. Codings is basically used for classifications of parts according to the stages of the manufacturing. So this coding system is listed below. The first one is OPS classification system. So this is the one and first published classification and coding scheme used for mechanical parts. This coding system uses alphanumerical symbols for representing various attributes of parts. This coding system follows digit sequence where first 5 digits, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first 5 digit. It is known as supplementary code. It is used for major attribute of parts. Second, it consists of 4-digit sequence, that is 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is called as supplementary code. This is used for coding manufacturing related attributes. Next, it follows 4-digit letters, that is A, B, C, D. That is known as secondary code. This is the digit sequence that OPT classification system follows. The next one is MI class system. MI class nothing but Metal Institute Classification System. So this follows 12 to 30 digit sequence. First 12 digit is known as universal code. This is applied for any parts. And next 18 digits is called as supplementary code. It is next D class system. It is nothing but design and classification information system. It follows 8 digits. This 8 digits individually partitioned into 5 code segments. That is, first segment consists of 3 digits used for basic shape. Second segment consists of 4 digits used for complexity of parts. Third segment consists of 5 digits to specify overall sizes of parts. Next 6 digit it used for precisions, and fifth segment consists of 2 digits. It is used for material type. Next, moving on to the code system. This is consists of 8-digit sequence. Each digits consist of 16 possible value. This value may be 0 to 9 and A to F. It is used for describing parts, designs and manufacturing characteristics. Next, KK3 system. This is widely used for general purpose classification and coding system. For parts that are machined, it is basically used for coding system. So these are the various coding systems that we widely used for recognizing in industries. Thank you.